As I told you before, the pen tool is very difficult at first, but luckily we've got a very useful website to practice this tool. After the tutorial, it's time to step up the game, and you will be tested into drawing multiple shapes using only the pen tool. The goal to succeed is using as less anchor points, or so-called nodes, as possible. The core is one of the hardest ones. As you can see, I've tracked the time spent trying to get below the recommended and average amount of nodes. Now, the ideal solution should be less than 9 nodes. Try it for yourself to improve your pen tool skill and beat the scores.